Hi, I'm Alberto Mendoza, and I'm industrial engineering student. The cover, the date. This is the step 2, this theory. My tutor, Juan Miguel Olave. This is my cause and effect diagram. This is the chosen problem, excessive processing time. Uh, the cause 1 is disinformation. Uh, one subcause is just of information channels about this recitation process. The second cause is requirement. The only subcause is many requirements all steps of the registration process. The three cause is also is answer. One subcause is too long to respond each phase of the recitation process, and the second subcause is lack of training to speed up response time. And the last cause is timeless. The only subcause is ignore the benefits of the restoring intellectual property. Uh, this is produced by for me. Uh, the recommendation. Uh, the first the first recommendation is the companies, universities, and the Colombian state should be encouraged of the practice of protecting and registering the intellectual property due to the economic and strategic advance that they offer us over competitors. Uh, Another recommendation is the institution in charge of protecting and, regulating intellectual property should be more efficient and easy in their process. Uh, that's all. Thanks.